Here's how you can easily delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. Now, it's pretty simple, just make sure you watch this at the end so you don't miss any important steps. But without further ado, the first thing we want to do to actually delete these duplicate photos is we open up Google Photos, and as you can see, these are all my photos on the screen right here. And as you can see, there's a couple duplicates, but if we actually want to go through these and actually delete these photos, I'm first going to show you how to actually put the photos on the app. How we do this, we go back to the home screen, and then we want to upload a photo to the Google Photos app. You just go to photos.google.com on your web browser, and then you choose the photos that you want to upload. In this case, I'm just going to go over here and going to click on the plus icon top right, click on your phone, and you're going to choose your photos from camera roll, and then you actually want to choose the photo you want to add. Once you've actually selected the photo and click add, it's actually going to add like so. Now, there's actually no duplicates upon adding the photos, and as you can see, when I refresh the page like so, it will actually only show one. Although it is very common to have very similar photos on Google Photos, and what you want to do to actually fix this is instead of just doing the classic delete with like the duplicate photos feature, what we want to do is we just want to scroll down a little bit, and then you want to find the duplicate photos that you want to delete. Let's just say this one looks pretty similar. You just click on the trash can option, click on move to trash, and you can just move it back. And then once you click on the back option, it's going to bring you back to this panel right here, and it will actually be in the trash can like so. And once you've done that, how you actually remove other duplicate photos is you can do it the exact same way like that, because currently Google Photos does not have a way to actually remove exact identical group photos, and it is simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like down below, and we're trying to be the first ever egg to reach 1 million subscribers. Thank you so much for watching.